Hey everyone, it's Terry here from needtshirtsnow.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make family reunion t-shirts. As you can see, I've already created one, and this template will be here for you to use also. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Starting on the home page, you can design your family reunion t-shirts by clicking on Get a Quote. The software design studio will pop up in a second. You could create your family reunion shirts from scratch. If you like to, you can also change the products. I'm going to keep it with the custom unisex t-shirt, the $7.99, because that's the cheapest one. If you wanted to change text, fonts, and create from scratch, you would just click on text and shapes, add your text in right here. We also have clip arts that you could choose from. Let's see if they load up. My computer's running pretty slow today. It's probably because I have a lot of different apps going in the background, but there's a lot of different categories you could try to find something also. But like I said, we have a template already made up, so I'll just click on ideas. I'll scroll down and voila, 2017 family reunion. Now let's go ahead and change this. It's the year 2019, so changing the date is that simple. Click right here and you can change it to whatever date you want. 2021 family reunion, but I'm just gonna put 2019 since it's 19. Oops. All right, last name. What's a common last name? Jackson. Jackson is a common last name in the USA. We'll use that. As you can see, after I typed it, it wasn't taking up the whole space, so I spread it out a little bit. You want to make sure that your name is all, you want to make sure everything is inside these borders, because if not, it will be cut off. So let's scoot these over some. Family reunion 2019 Jackson family reunion. So we have a tree here. A tree is usually used as a symbol for family reunion shirts, so I'll leave that there. On a white shirt, this color gray probably is not going to be the best color to go with on a white shirt. I could change that to black, or maybe red. Yeah, we'll go with red. So let's go ahead and change these words over to red. I'll leave the last name as that light color blue, and it's that simple. If you want to change the color of your shirt to show in a mock-up, you want to show everyone how it'll look, that's how you can do it. Maybe so, voila, on a yellow t-shirt with the red 2019 Jackson family reunion. These look pretty awesome. If you want to put something on the back, it'll raise the price. As you can see, changing the color from white to yellow also raised the price. Let's go back to white. They start at $7.99, and depending on how many shirts you get, the price can drop a little bit lower. So if you want to add something on the back, like a clip art or some names or something like that, we'll just throw a clip art on there for demonstration purposes. As you can see, it raises the price. If you want to remove the image you put on there, you could click this remove button with the trash can, or you could click right here, the trash can, and drop the price back down. So yeah, it's that simple. That's how you create a family reunion t-shirt on our website, needtshirtsnow.com. So now that you created your family reunion t-shirt, if you like to share your design with your family members, it's simple. I'm gonna change it back to gold, or maybe yellow. I'm gonna change it to yellow. And if you want to share with your family friends on Facebook or Twitter or somewhere, you can show them what you came up with, and you can share it. Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and more. And that's how you can share your design with your family before purchasing. If you want to save your design after you made it, you just save your design. If you want to go back to your design, either log into your account when you're on the home page, and it should show you your saved designs, or you could just come back to the design a t-shirt, and once you're signed in, click load design. Ready to buy, click buy now. And after you hit buy now, you'll see the screen that'll show you options to choose the color shirts that you like along with the sizes. So yeah, that's how you create a family reunion t-shirts here at needtshirtsnow.com. If you have any more questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in our comment section below, or feel free to give us a call about your custom t-shirts. Thanks for joining. Bye bye.